What? What did you say? You saw Alex Perkins with the devil?
No, because he's in jail.
Is he really?
He got arrested for failure to appear.
He got arrested?
Yeah.
How's he been on the internet?
I don't know. He may have just gotten a court thing. He got arrested though.
Yeah, I took him to Dixon.
I gotta piss. That's my pissing song. Gotta pee, gotta pee.
Go to the
gotta
bathroom.
pee.
Go.
It's locked, isn't it?
No.
No.
Gotta
You can
pee,
sing it while you
gotta
pee.
Gotta pee, gotta
Stop dancing behind me. Pete it.
Alec, I like your bow. Who tied that for you?
No, no, some weird chick.
Are you gonna sing a song about Christina?
I'm trying to think of one.
Why did you sing a song about already?
Guys. He's drunk.
No, he's just
I'm really
in.
not.
No, he's just in.
No, I've drank 5 since 6 o'clock, so there's no way in hell I'm drunk.
No.
Like 1 every hour.
Yeah.
Not including